Hi everyone, Antoinette here, and welcome to Decorating Ant's Place. Well, today I am co-hosting in a Memorial Day collaboration where we have asked all YouTube creators to put together a tablescape or a vignette using 3 different items. Now, before I get to that, I would like to say a very big thank you to Jodi of Jodi's Cozy Cottage and Kathy and Marlene, the Buffalo Check Chicks, for asking me to co-host with them in this collaboration. So I don't believe that when they asked me that they knew that I'm actually Canadian and not from the United States. But that's okay. When I was asked, I was really honored and I said yes right away. Last year, I did a little red, white, and blue tablescape for the 4th of July in honor of all of my really wonderful American YouTube friends. So I was more than happy to co-host with these lovely ladies and do this collaboration. So with respect to the 2 channels, Jodi's Cozy Cottage and the Buffalo Chicks, they are, I guess you could call them newer channels, but they are growing rapidly and so deserved because they really do some great content. Jodi is extremely patriotic and she does a lot of red, white, and blue decorating and vignettes and whatnot. And the Buffalo Check Chicks do a whole lot of everything. You'll find a lot of decorating and sharing special pieces that they have. And right now Kathy is moving, and so some of the videos are about her move to Florida. So please check out both channels. I think you will like them. If you do, please do subscribe to their channels. So with respect to this collaboration, we have asked everyone to include in their display the American flag, a light source, and something paper. So you will find those 3 items in my display. I've done it here on my kitchen tabletop. I hope that you like it. Kindly keep in mind, I'm not American, I'm Canadian, so I don't have all that sort of patriotic decor, but I did pull out all my red, white, and blue, and it was so much fun to put this together. It's so bright and vibrant. It's so much fun to look at, and it's going to be kind of sad to take it down because I think it's really pretty and a lot of fun. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you to the ladies for asking me to co-host, and thank you to everyone who's participating in this collaboration. I cannot wait to see what everyone has come up with. Thanks again. Here's an overview of what my Memorial Day display looks like. And starting off to the left of the table, you will see that I have a charger in red and a white plate, and then some blue salad plates. I do a lot of tablescapes, so it wasn't hard for me to find these colors. I've doubled up on the 2 blue plates so that the blue really shines through and really shows up nice and deep. I've added this little red votive holder and then this blue candle holder to the side there. All of this is displayed on a blue runner, and the blue runner atop this white tablecloth. I had to go into some of my Christmas decor for these red sparkly branches that I've put across the runner there, and then those white sparkly stars, and then that tiny little red gem there that's in the shape of a star. I found 2 of those, so that was perfect for the little table here. And right in the center, I'm going to start off by showing you this little floral display, just a red vase with some white flowers thrown inside. And then we asked for a light source. So that's that here, our candle, white candle with blue glitter paper wrapped around it. And all around the candle are some red and white roses. I think that looks quite pretty. And then we also asked for a flag and paper. So I printed off the American flag on paper and put it in this picture frame. I loved this one. Of course, there were many American flag pictures to choose from, but the background of this one I thought was so pretty. I loved it. So I printed that off and just put that in a picture frame. Now off to the right here of our table, I've done the exact same thing that I did on the left side. So you can see that it is symmetrical and it's got a really nice center piece there. I wish you could see this in person. It's so bright, pretty, and fun. Thank you again to the lovely ladies at Jodi's Cozy Cottage and Buffalo Check Chicks for asking me to co-host. This was so much fun.